Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Jubis.
Okay, so today we're going to do evaluation as usual. I will ask from the LP for this week. So we'll start from the Sanskrit. What are the Sanskrit that you are delivering?
And this week we have review lesson that's about ending sound after at, and after and. The example for after, right,
After or after?
for this week, right?
Okay, tell me.
No, after I think after math, that one math, red, fat, math, red, fat, math, red, fat, and then bad. And then for Agner, van, man, fan, and then man. And then for Edgar, bag, rag, tag, and bag, rag, tag, and then what is that? One more. Bag, rag, tag.
Not only that, I think, because you put here there are 6.
Yes, please.
There are 6 Sanskrit. Yeah. So 3 more.
Already.
Fat and egg already. Then 3 more. What are they?
3 more. Already, right? Agner and after have 4, and then Agner have 4.
Yeah, there are 3. You put here there are 3 sounds more.
Yes, 3.
What are they? So it means in this week there are 6.
Oh, because we have review, yes. Review unit 1 and unit 3, unit 1 and unit 2. Unit 1 is about yam, jam, ram, and then for and then for tumor, yes, tumor, and that, and then bad, and then that. It's remember 2, and then one more about
Sad, no?
Oh yes, sad 2. About
One more.
About what? Yes. Ini ya, sun ya, sun.
No, one more sound.
One more sound. Wait. And then
Forget.
yes, forget. N.
Oh. Okay, read it again, yeah. One more. Okay, now we move to little steps. How did you explain about the senses?
Our sense, yes, right. We still have about the sense for this week. The first we should try to retell the story back, the story back, and then we together mention the 5 sense, and then based on the picture, the teacher will ask what we use for smelling, what we use for hearing, what we use for tasting, what we use for seeing. and then
Okay. So, how did you deliver this? What does your favorite food smell like, student? How?
what does Miss?
What does your favorite food smell like?
Oh, because that one for this week we we focus on to the smell of the food, right? And then
Only food.
food and the others that we can smell like flower too. There is smell, right? There is smell, and then we will ask, is it good smell or bad smell? Or you can see the rubbish, is it good smell or bad smell, like that. And then we saw the picture on the touchboard.
What
There is
kind of
some
picture?
It is the picture like flower and then apple pie and then cake.
Cake.
Is it good? Is it have the smell? Has it smell?
Does
Yes.
it have smell?
Does it smell?
Does it have smell?
Does it have smell? Yes, miss. Then we will ask them. Is it good smell or bad smell? For the food and drink.
How many pictures did you show?
In the book only there is 3 picture. But
There are 3 pictures. Apple pie, food, and cake.
Yes. And then the oranges, that one about the taste. Later.
Oh, there is a drink, orange juice. Okay. How far? What is the progress? Have they understood? About, for example, like what the flowers smell like? What is the answer? For example, what did they answer?
I think they can understand because they can answer us. They can
Oh.
understand which one have the smell and which one there is no smell. Like, do you know? Maybe we can show the table or the chair or the bottle. Is this have the smell? No. Does it have smell? They will answer no, miss. How about the cake? Does it have smell? Yes, miss.
Alright, this one for the second little steps. Okay, can you explain to me, miss, about this one? Can you tell me where is the position of tickles?
What the position of
Tickles.
tickles? Oh, it's me. That one for the Tuesday, right? That is to show.
That shows.
That show. The place, so that is for our eyes, so they can where is the tickles, the tickles, where is the tickles of the cat, so it's actually the good place for the cat, right? Because in the picture there is some place of the
There are
the
some places.
cat. The first picture is so between the flower, and then and next picture the cat is under the sofa, and then the next
The
picture,
cat?
yes, the cat like,
I mean, my question is about the tickle.
yes. Where's the tickles about? Where's the tickle about the cat, right? Cat position, right?
Yeah. Can you tell me where is the position of tickles?
That's why that what connect to our eyes. They can see the cat. So the tickle of the cat is between the flower.
Okay. You show the picture.
Yes.
How about the taste? What did they answer? Can you mention this? Can you mention the sum? No. You don't need to put the, I think. Can you mention the sum of taste?
Yes. We can erase the.
Okay.
Yes.
So what did they answer? Could they answer this?
The first time we explain.
How many tastes
Some
did you
of
explain?
the taste, that is sweet, sour, salty, and bitter.
4.
Yes, there are 4.
How did you describe this? Only you make the list, sour, sweet.
No, like sweet, maybe we can take the example for what do you taste if you eat the sugar? Is it sweet? Sweet, it's mean good,
It
right?
means
Good and nice in our tongue. But if sour, can you ever eat the sour of the orange? Maybe
not
your
sour. Sour, I think.
sour also.
Not sour. Wait, yeah, I check first to make sure. Sour.
Not sour.
Sour. Yeah.
Sour, yeah.
Not sour, yeah. Sour. Yeah, sour. Okay.
Do you
How
ever
about this
eat the sour of orange? If you eat it, it's different with the sweet one. If sweet, our face will be good, right? But if you eat the sour one,
tongue?
your
No.
face become bad. Like this, we saw our expression sour. And then if bitter, do you ever eat the medicine? Cut this the medicine. I think medicine, the bitter and sour, it's almost our expression almost same because it is not nice in our tongue.
Salty.
And then salty, it's
Salty. Not salty.
salty, salty, right?
You said salty. Salty, I think. Salty. Wait, yeah.
Salty,
Wait.
salty.
Salty. Okay.
Um,
How about salty?
Salty is the salt. Do you ever see the salt? The salt, the taste is salty. Salty to make our food delicious. If your mommy cook without salt, it will be not nice. So you need give salt to your food. Yes. If your mommy cook the noodle, give the little salt into the noodle. But if we cook the rice, we don't need to give the salt. Or
Okay.
if you take the salt in your tongue, you can feel it's salty. Wow, like that, Miss.
Okay. Rainbow science. Can you mention the characteristics of water? How do you explain this?
Water. The first we will take water bottle and then we will show this is water. We will go to the function first. We drink water, right? We use water to take a bath. We use water to wash the clothes, and then we will go to characteristic. Look at this, the bottle. Look at the water. The water follow the shape of the bottle. So the first characteristics of the water is it will follow the shape, the place, like bottle or jar or kettle, and everything that can hold the water, the water will follow the place.
Okay. The second question, can you give the examples of things that cannot hold water? How do you explain this?
We will explain. There is some things cannot hold the water. Do you know this chair? Is this? Can you fill the chair with water? The answer, they will answer, no, miss. Like that. Because there is no place, right, to hold the water.
So, did you bring the real props to this lesson, Rainbow Science?
I think the real props, we just use the water bottle, miss, with the water too.
To make it simple.
Yes.
Because there are some example here, jar, vase.
Because before that we already have video lesson, right?
So this is this review,
Hmm?
this reviewing.
No, video lesson. I mean, the first we will open video lesson. There is video lesson, right?
Only that.
Yes.
So you will not prepare for other crops, only the bottle ya, water bottle ya.
Yes.
Why? I mean, the time is not enough or what?
The first is like that. The second, the I think the kid will come and like their Delfano, they like to touch the water. Later, I'm afraid the water will spill out and then
They mess up the floor?
Yeah, so messy, right?
Okay. ASP bahasa. Coba Miss jelaskan ini tentang pekerjaan ini.
SP bahasa.
Kenapa Miss pilih hanya petani?
Yeah, because there are three SP ya. So for bahasa we just choose petani tuh kita kami pilih petani untuk dijelaskan karena di buku pun panduannya lebih detailnya untuk petani. Sebenarnya kita bisa tambahkan juga di dalam kelas pengajarannya apa saja jenis-jenis pekerjaan. Nah, di situ SP bahasa menjelaskan di mana petani bekerja. Nah, kita menjelaskan dengan kata di ladang. Kita akan belajar juga mengeja kata. Mengeja kata dan menebalkan katanya. Dan guru, misalnya guru di mana bekerja? Di sekolah. Kita akan belajar mengejanya. Di sekolah dan bagaimana cara penulisannya langsung di papan touchboard.
Pilihannya hanya guru dan petani.
Dokter di rumah sakit yang di buku cuma ada itu, cuma kita bisa lebih luaskan lagi, misalnya polisi bekerja di jalan lalu lintas, atau kita bisa tambahkan lagi seperti apa lagi ya? Kalau dokter tadi di rumah sakit, kita tambahkan. Perawat juga di rumah sakit. Kalau pilot bekerja di pesawat terbang atau di bandara.
Jadi lebih ke membaca kata-katanya ya.
Iya, betul.
Untuk ASP Sains tentang pekerjaan juga yang buat mereka berbeda apa nih?
Jadi kalau ASP Sains dia cuma sedikit ya, lembaran bukunya cuma hanya 2 Miss. Jadi di ASP Sains itu untuk yang minggu ini kita belajar bagaimana seorang pedagang bekerja. Ya, jadi pedagang itu
Pedagang aja topiknya.
kalau di buku cuma topiknya di situ aja Miss. Karena kita pun tidak punya terlalu banyak waktu, mungkin kita bisa tambahkan 1 atau 2 lagi. Tapi kita fokuskan ke pedagang dulu.
Pedagang.
Ya, Miss. Iya. Pedagangnya di situ gambarnya menjual sayur mayur, telur, bahan pokok makanan sehari-hari itu seperti telur, minyak. Mereka akan berjualan di toko ataupun di pasar. Dan orang-orang yang membutuhkan bisa pergi ke pasar dan membeli bahan-bahan pokok tersebut. Terus kita akan kembali bertanya, apakah orang tua kita ada yang pedagang? Siapa yang? Kalau pedagang berarti orang tuanya akan berjualan seperti ini. Nah, tapi kalau tidak pedagang, kita juga butuh datang ke orang tua kita akan datang ke pedagang untuk membeli bahan-bahan makanan yang kita butuhkan sehari-hari. Nah, kalau guru misalnya, guru apa saja yang dikerjakan di sekolah? Seperti mengajar, mengawasin anak-anak, memeriksa buku anak-anak.
Okay, the project, what do you do?
We will make Valentine's Day card with we will make
Valentine's Day.
card, yes.
This is art and craft ya.
Yes, craft.
Why do you choose Valentine's Day card?
Yes, that is because that is for celebrate Valentine's Day, so we need the like some things. Yes, if we meet practical life, there is no something, right? They just do in the class, but if there is art and craft, they will bring quote and show to their parents. This is to show how to celebrate the Valentine's Day. They will make the greetings card heart
Made of
origami.
origami paper.
Yes.
How many color? Only 2? No?
Actually,
saw
there
here.
is some variations, right? There is many color, but for one student only get 2 color, but different with the other.
Everybody will make the card.
Yes.
So this is individually. Yeah.
Yes, right, Miss.
They need to cut again.
And no, the teacher will provide it. Needs
So what will they do?
they will stick and write the letter like I love you, mom, like that.
Besides making the Valentine's Day card, what else?
We have sari baca tulis, special activity sari baca tulis.
How is it? What is it about?
Uh,
So dibaca tulis for
Untuk sari baca tulis kita buat special activity-nya dengan cerita bergambar. Jadi guru akan menyediakan bahan-bahan seperti 4 gambar. Itu yang berkaitan dengan buku yang sudah dibaca dan dipelajari, Miss. Jadi terus guru akan menyediakan potongan-potongan kata-kata yang akan disusun sesuai nanti dengan
kata-katanya tentang apa?
Kata-katanya itu misal ini bola, ini susu saya, itu akan disusun menjadi sebuah kalimat. Nah. Jadi
menulis ya? Seri baca tulis?
Iya, seri baca tulis.
Mereka bagaimana dibilang? Mereka disuruh ke depan satu-satu begitu? Mencari sebanyak-banyaknya?
Tidak, Miss. Jadi kita buat 2 kelompok, satu kelompok itu bisa terdiri dari 2, karena kalau nanti 3 atau 4,
2, 3 atau 4
ya, tergantung situasi kembali ya, Miss. 2 atau 3, 4 orang. Nah, jadi masing-masing kelompok akan diberikan gambar, Jadi setiap orang akan menyusun. Pertama kita harus pandu dulu mereka kata apa yang cocok untuk gambar yang ini, gambar yang ini. Kita akan ajarin mereka dulu, baru kemudian kita akan meminta mereka bagaimana menyusun kata itu sesuai dengan gambar. Mereka akan ambil kata dan susun sesuai dengan gambar. Nah, siapa yang tercepat dan yang benar akan menang.
Okay, besides this, what else?
Only that, Miss.
Only this?
Yes. Seri baca tulis. And art and craft.
Art and craft and special activity. Only that. For Pictionary, there is no more, yeah?
There is no more, Miss.
Okay. Alright, I think that's enough for the evaluation for today. You need to remember about the Sanskrit, Miss. Because you review, right? Yeah. But for others like the steps, random science, ISO bahasa, science, SP science, and project also you could explain them in detail. So you just need to learn about Sanskrit. I think you pass in these evaluations.
Okay, thank you, Miss.